Oh yeah, this is the great restaurant. The boss, what's your name?
Mohammed.
Mohammed, okay, Mohammed. Come to this restaurant, really good. It's right here, cafe restaurant. We're listening to Celine Dion here. Hope I don't get copyright. This is the place. Great rooftop cafe, bar, restaurant. This is where it is. Really good. Dar Ana. And if you're looking for a really good place, we got chapati here. My friend, you want the best chapati? It's him.
Chapati, yeah.
Yes.
Thank
Okay.
you very much.
No problem. I have a YouTube channel. I will put you on.
Okay.
The best.
What's it your name? What's its name?
The best chapati. We came back twice.
Thank you
It's
very
so
much.
good. Right? There's a happy customer. Right? Okay. See you. Bye. Beautiful place. This little alleyway is the best on your way up towards you get the same street as Cafe de Casbah, and it goes towards, look how pretty all these cafes are. So pretty. And it goes to the Archaeological Museum. This is such a nice little alleyway. This whole little strip is beautiful. So pretty, this strip. No, we're not in Greece. We are in SOUSSE, Tunisia. Well lit, safe to walk here. Full of cats. This is Cafe Casbah. We came here. Very eclectic place. Oh. Now it's trying to figure out how to get out of here. It's a maze. Look at that, it's beautiful. Yes, there is a dog amongst all these cats. What you're gonna see throughout the whole city and Tunisia. Well, that's cute. Wow. He's so cute. Free? Hey, that could be an Instagram thing, free. Michelle, you scared off. Look at all the beautiful doors. All these doors. There's Moy. Look at these pretty doors. And just all these little alleyways. We're lost. We're lost, and we got this nice gentleman.
MEDINA.
Oh, yeah. We got a nice friendly guy helping us out.
You take the left, yeah?
Oh, okay. Left?
This way. This way.
Okay. And we made it back to our hotel, Hotel Medina. It's a great place too. Good breakfast, but do stay in the renovated rooms, which is much nicer. The older ones, they're in the process of renovating a lot of things, but the newer one that we have, the family one, was very good.
26.
126.
And a couple of davetravels. Thank you. So.
Don't forget to subscribe to Dave's Travel on all these adventures and tips.